What is going on, everybody? It's your bro Arlie, aka Young Garlic, coming to you live with another day of our trading series. I'm going to try to make this video quick. I'm not feeling too well right now. As always, our links are down below. Please come follow us on our socials. Our Discord's down below as well. We have changed up our paid side a little bit. We're now alerting for all the members, regardless if you're paid or not. And our paid side is going to be more geared towards education, so private seminars, private one-on-one sessions, stuff like that. But yeah, got this stuff out of the way real quick. Up 11% on the account today, so another good day for us. Traded Twitter. Gonna go through the trades really quick. What I thought. Traded really well at the beginning. Over traded a little bit, but I traded really tight stop losses. Because as you can see, we were chopping at the end of the day. And I actually called this move up, this humongous candle up. I called this before it happened, and I'll talk about why and how I did that. So yeah, let me go ahead and pull that Twitter chart up over here as well. Actually, I'll do it in a minute. I gotta look at the trades. So yeah, first trade today, I shorted at 940. Pretty easy short here. Huge rejection, right? And I think yesterday this was an important level. Yeah, so it's kind of becoming a supply zone now. We broke through it, right? So after you break through demand, it becomes supply. You can see here we tested at the end of the day and then broke down. We tested again and broke down. So shorted at 940 and held this till 946. So kind of here. I only traded one contract, so that's why I didn't get the whole move down. But I was totally happy with this because this was like a 25% gain to start the day. So I was happy with it. And then I shorted again at 953. Shorted here, right? And then, but instead of closing, I was within risk, so I shorted there, and then I averaged down. I missed the average down because I was working. I missed this top. I was gonna try to average down this top, but I averaged down over here at 1055. So here, right? See how we reject? We bounce off of our demand. We fail to move higher. Average down here on this candle, this 1055 candle. And then I closed at 1106. So here, I closed another one over here at 1107, kind of at this base. And then closed the rest over at 1113. So here. Could have held it longer. I'm just got to get used to holding contracts longer, but right now I'm really just sticking to just taking gains where I see them. Simply because, I mean, it was a big gain. I mean, I was in this for 4 contracts today. And our average price was 50. Sold one for $7 gain, $11 gain, $8 gain, $9 gain. So I mean, it was a big trade for us, right? So yeah, and then the next few trades, I kind of stopped out on a couple. So 12-13, I tried to long. Tried to long here because we were starting to get towards this bottom range, but I ended up stopping out at 1248. So here, I don't know how I stopped out on this. Excuse me. And like I said, I don't feel really well, so try to make this quick. Wait, was this a long or a short? Yeah. Got in at 68 and I sold at 1248. Yeah, it's about break even, but I guess IV kind of got against this a little bit. And then tried to short at 1302. So I saw these candles printing, and I thought we were going to reject here and go lower, but we ended up running up a little bit, and I sold up here at 1309. I just wanted to see once we broke out, strong uptrend. I just sold at 1309. Could have sold earlier. This was a $14 loss. So not bad. And then I shorted at 1314. So you see this level here. This is kind of a demand. This is a supply zone right now. All right, demand's down here, supplies here. We break down. I actually called this, and I'm gonna pull my Weeble chart over and show you why. I managed to catch this move down, and we sold at 13.27, so right over here. So not bad. I'm gonna pull my Weeble chart over. Let me make sure you guys can't see anything though. I think last time I had to make a video like 3 times, so I could not get it to where y'all couldn't see stuff. Okay, you can't see anything. Alright. So if we look at our Twitter on the 1 minute, do we see these here? These volume anomalies here. There's also one here. This kind of yells at me that someone is loading this. Right, and if we look at SPY, was it 1220? Let's look at SPY at 1220 today. Yeah, SPY was trying to move lower. So this told me that someone's loading this. Look, I mean, you can just look how big these are. Look how small the move is on these, right? I mean, like, even these moves here, like, this is big volume in comparison to the rest. And we're not seeing any downward momentum. Like, these are clear anomalies. Look how small these are. So someone's loading. So we get a move down here. Get this move down, and then we rock it. And this was a 90-cent move within a matter of seconds. Within a minute. So that's one way you can use VPA, and you can see it here too. Like, these are volume anomalies. Someone's loading, right? There's tons of volume. Bears are still here, but the buyers are coming in. But we also know that it's going to be a weak move because this volume here is less than this bear volume. This is also another anomaly. Wow. So after we pop up, we try to break out, but we kind of fade off. So yeah, I missed this move. I was actually long a little bit earlier, got stopped out. But it is okay. It's alright. Traded well today. But towards the end of the day, I just started taking trades, kind of scalping. So I shorted this, not long this. I longed here at 13.37. Closed it at 14.16. I ended up stopping out over here. Little $7 gain, not bad. For one contract play. And then 14.19, I tried to short. Shorted this. It stopped me out here. And then, yeah, I mean, after that, I was just, I mean, I tried to scalp. You can't really scalp. I think I made $1, lost $1 in the next 2 trades or something. But I'm going to show you guys my plan for Twitter. And why I'm bearish on Twitter right now is because this is a beautiful breakdown of a pennant, and looks like we got a retest. See how this was demand zone? As soon as we broke through it, now we're retesting it, has become supply. And I'm thinking if we lose kind of this area where it is right now, if we come down to 47 and lose this, I think we'll see some nice downward momentum. Just because if this is something we talked about with Riley, if you look at this breakdown, this is 250, so we've claimed 125 and we're failing. So we should at least come down to here, and then after that our PT will be 46. Wait, yeah, 46. Sorry, I'm trying to do math. I just really don't feel good. 45.85, and then kind of 45.19. And then, but once we get down here to 45.19, we're gonna start flirting with the gap fill to the downside. So I really like Twitter for a short. This is also an important level here I have marked. I think I had this marked on the daily. Yeah, you can see this is super important support here too. So we got some important things coming up for Twitter in the next few days. Let's keep these in mind. It's gonna keep going in with no bias, so we're trading really well the past couple days. I'm really just gonna stop thinking about how well we're trading. Talking to Rally days, I don't really know how to act because I'm just trading well. I'm seeing the market's nice right now. Learning when to trade, when not to trade. I gotta get better at sitting on my hands though, because like after like 11, we start to lose some volatility. Like after we get this dump and we bounce at 46.50, let's see if we can figure out where we bounced at first of all. This is just a support cluster. See, this is a big level here, but now we're failing to get back above it. So, ooh, this also looks like this. Let me turn these off. Let's see if we still see it. Sorry, I'm just kind of messing around with some charts, but look at this. But then once we break down from this, if we do this consolidation zone, yeah, this is like kind of confirming it. All right, but as I was saying, yeah, I'm just gonna keep trading. Just using the supply demand stuff combined with what we're learning right from Arcane. You got your short and long signals. You also combine this with Great Blue Trades' indicator, the Jade level indicator. Not range wave. It's better for long-term stuff. But you can see like we pretty much hit this stuff like to the cent. Right, like we're trying to break out here. This is actually a nice ascending triangle breakout. All right, let's see if we can do some math here too. That's 40 cents. The breakout was like 30 to 20. Yeah. But we still failed to really clear above this, and we double top. It's also kind of a bad long or bad short here. I mean, not bad. I mean, the candles are there for it, right? But low volume. But I held it because I don't know. This is kind of my stop loss up here. I was chilling. Yeah. I don't know. I could have stopped out early, and just came back in later, but I don't know. I just didn't. Probably might do that in the future. Just stop out and look to re-enter. But like here, I'm gonna start trading to where I'm not immediately going long after I stop out of a short here. Like I could, but I'd much rather wait for this entry and then take it up here, take 3 or 4 contracts and ride it down, or at least down to the median. Because look what happens when we hit the median, we start seeing some consolidation, and again here, and then we lose it. So I don't know, just really starting to keep things simple and just see the market for what it is, which is just a big bunch of math. All right, you're either consolidating, going up or going down. And we're gonna be choppy, but once we get, I think Twitter continues this breakdown, we're gonna gap fill. But there's also money rotating into XLC. So I don't know. We're just gonna play it how we see it. Just gonna play what the market has in front of us. Let's see what SPY is doing after hours. We're fast. SPY post. Oh, that's pretty flat. I do think we'll see another retrace. We'll see a retrace probably because we're trying to bottom. I think we'll see a retrace to like here, 411ish, before we continue down. That's just me. I think Riley kind of agrees, but we have to kind of hold this bottom. We're trying to hold this 1272 area, but I don't know. We'll just have to see what happens. But that's all I got for you guys. Sorry if I rambled a little bit. I'm just not really feeling good. I love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me as we continue this journey. Things are looking good for us. Just gonna keep trading. Keeping our losses small. Even the losses we took today weren't big, right? Like I just was like $2 loss, whatever. Trade's not gonna work, get out. So just gonna keep trying to be disciplined and try to. I've been reading Trading in the Zone too. I really recommend you read that, just in terms of psychology, and really learning to accept the fact that not all trades are gonna work. And it helps with just cutting. And then when you're in a trade, just being confident, right? And I've been using trailing stop losses too, which has also helped me soak up a lot of profit. So, but that's all I got for you guys. Our links are down below. Excuse me. To our socials, come check us out on social media, our Twitter, Instagram, Discord, all that good stuff. My Weeble's down below. Please, if you want to swap brokers or start day trading, Weeble's commission free. Sign up using my link. We both get some free stock. I sound like a salesman for Weeble, but I love it. It's awesome. Good fills on everything. You can usually get in and get out when you want to. But that's all I got for you guys. I love you guys as always. Thank you for following us along on this journey. And yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys. Peace.